Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce unbox review Mazda 3 2013 to 2017 years. This is template 25-inch IPS touchscreen. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is really big box. Big box. So let me unbox review. And then you can check head unit with good condition. Okay, let me introduce this joystick. Okay, let me harness and the canvas box. This DVD player. Okay. This is template. Let me unbox review. Okay, let me introduce the honey set first and the other. Okay, let me introduce the harness. Their radio antenna. This radio antenna connected to backup head unit. Okay, this is Mazda 3 power cable. Okay, this is canvas box. Okay, this is harness, and it comes with GPS antenna, external microphone, 2 USB cable, and the external microphone port. Okay, this is AUX input, left and right input. This video input. Okay, this camera input, RC type. Okay, this audio cable, and this subwoofer, video out 1 and video out 2. This is AUX left and right, front and rear output. Okay, let me check. Okay, you can check this joystick. You need to make sure the shape same as this joystick. You can check this shape. You need a factory same as this joystick. This power, home button, back button. and the back. This is connector. Okay, this comes with the head unit. Okay, let me check the head unit. You can check. This comes quite you can check this drum agent. Okay. Let me check the head unit. Okay, let me find the knife. Okay, you can check this long cable. I think it's with 1 meter, 1 more meter. And let me check the head unit. This template 25-inch. You can check this microphone here. Let me check detail. This kit and the side. Okay. This side. And the back. Okay, let me check the dash kit. Okay, this is radio port, connector. This is fuse connector, GPS antenna. This connector's Wi-Fi already built in. Okay. And already connect these connections. This connection already connected. It's plug and play. Okay. How we put the okay. Level power with 12 voltage. Head unit will start. It's not good. Let me find the Okay. Okay, now you can check this head unit. Let me make adjustment with a good view. Okay, let me check. This template 25-inch RPS. Okay, let me. You can check this very fast response. This PX5. This is interface UI. All UI are in here. You can check this amplifier. Music, radio, and navigation. It's built in Google Maps. Okay, settings. Let me check the settings. It's already built in the Wi-Fi microphone. System. About tablet, you can check model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. It's already built in the Play Store. Very fast response. Okay, that's all. Thank you. I will do next function video later. Okay.